Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video we'll be reviewing the WinBridge S398. So let's get to it. Okay, so this is what the voice amplifier offers. It has a 20-watt power output. It is rechargeable, it uses a USB-PD, it has on-key recording, has a aux input and a USB input, and the charging voltage is 5 volts at 3 amps, which means USB-C. Charging time 2 hours, working time 11 through 18 hours depending on the volume you play it at, and a 2500 milliamp hour capacity lithium ion battery, which is pretty good. Alright, to open the box you just slide that up. It's pretty simple, straightforward. So here are the instructions. Here is the speaker. Kind of looks like a camera, but it's a speaker. And you'll just move that like that. You have a all USB-C charging cable. You have your USB-C charging brick, which it does 5 volts at 3 amps, 9 volts at 2 amps, 12 volts at 1.5 amps. I'll just let you guys get a good look at that. And you have your strap, so you can wear it around your shoulder or around your waist. You have your aux cord and your headset. Alright, so let's take a look at the manual. So this is the user manual. It shows you the layout and what everything does. The main function, there's plug and play. Just everything. How to play music via U-Disc. I think that you can play music off of a USB drive with this. I don't know, we're gonna have to test that. But the aux, you can connect iPad, computer, smartphone, iPod, anything you want to it. Then here's the recording. We're gonna get to that here in a bit when we actually demonstrate how it works. So let's actually take a look at that. Okay, so here's the speaker. And first glance, it feels really nice. It's built sturdy and kind of looks like a camera though. It's like, yeah. It does come with a screen. So when you turn it on, it says hi, and it shows you the different volume that you're at. It also shows you which mode you're in. So right now, we're on Bluetooth, and that's pretty much all that's available. So when this is in Bluetooth, it connects to your phone, so you can play music. You can play music via Bluetooth, anything like that, any audio file you have. Other than the record button is to record what you're saying. Okay, I had to go get an empty USB drive. So that's what it looks like. So we're gonna try the record option on it. First, I'm gonna need to get this undone. So you plug this into the one that says mic. I noticed there's something weird about it. I was testing it out before, which yeah, I do open it and look at it so I can get familiar with it before I do anything. So I don't hear anything right now coming out of it. There we go. So this is very loud, as you can tell. I really like it. But if you get the mic too close to this, it goes, yeah. Okay, so it does play music via USB. I have a MP3 file loaded up on here. It's just a bass test thing I use for my car sometimes when I'm making a video or something new. So here we go. This is on the USB drive. And look, I can skip it. So I skip it to the first song, and this is the second song. So if you want to play music off a USB drive, you just load a MP3 file up on your USB drive and plug it directly in. Okay, so now let's try the record button. Let's see. Let's click the R. Okay, so the R is the recording. So with the recording, I should be able to speak into the microphone and have this thing recorded. So let's see if it worked. So if you long press this, it should work. So with the recording, I should be able to speak into the microphone and have this thing recorded. So let's see if it worked. Oh my goodness. So, as you can tell, it worked. All the features on this work as intended, and which is very nice. I really like this one. I don't know why. I like the way it looks. I like the way it feels. I really like the matte black finish on it. Okay, so let's take a look at the other accessories it comes with. It comes with a strap, a adjustable strap. You pull this to make it longer. Pull it this way to make it shorter. Then to hook it, it's just like a normal strap. You pull these things back, slide it over that, close it. Fairly straightforward and simple. The charging cube, it's pretty straightforward. Plug it in there. Same thing with the aux cord. The only downside is that Apple products, especially phones, are starting to ditch their USB, their 3.5 millimeter connections. So you probably, if you want to play music off your phone, you're gonna have to get one of these. It's just an aux cord to lightning adapter. It just allows you to connect to your phone, then to connect to something like this. Okay, let's do a sound test of this thing.